Hey, what's up, guys? It's Luke, the landscaper, pink and green here. Wanted to show you a beautiful mahogany tree we just put in the ground here. For all you property managers out there, facilities managers, anybody who's having a tree installed, want to talk about proper tree installation. Also, if you look at that tree, it almost is shaped like a Christmas tree, right? It's called a Florida #1 or a Florida Fancy. The cities are requiring that you have this center leader that goes straight up like that. They don't want multiple leaders anymore. Florida #1 or Florida Fancy. Also, when installing these trees, cities have different requirements, but now they're asking for the rope around the tree and then the Wellington tape to be tied through the rope. Reason being, you tie that Wellington tape around the tree grows and expands. The tree will actually grow around it and be stuck inside it, damaging and weakening the trees for the future. Also need a 3-point installation there. 1, 2, 3. And then remember, they always want you to build these volcano rings all the way around. That helps retain the water. Got to have your bubbler right here. Always want to turn that bubbler on, make sure that the water is kicking out and that the volcano fills with water. That way it can fill up and slowly settle down and continue to soak that root ball for the first month or so until the roots start spreading out and it gets strong enough on its own. Want to come back, check it from time to time, make sure that these straps are nice and tight. The wind will shake them and loosen them. And then eventually, when the tree is strong enough to stand on its own, it's very important to make sure you remove those. Don't leave those on too long. The tree will actually grow around them and you won't be able to get them out. Even that rope, the cities are saying that it's better, but you never know. These things keep changing. So, beautiful mahogany tree, Florida Fancy, Florida #1. Luke the landscaper, pink and green.